Welcome back for another episode of Foam Forge, where today I'm going to be tackling my very own Spider-Man mask, showing you how to make it from scratch in a super quick, easy, and cost-efficient way. Now, for this project, all you're going to need here today is some red fabric. Now, I just use an old red t-shirt myself, but you can use whatever you want. You'll need some white mesh fabric as well for the eyes, some foam board as well for the lens around it, some paint, and a small sewing kit as well.
So the first thing I did was I took a red tank top and laid it out flat. I then cut up the middle of the shirt and curved at the top, finishing my cut just below the armpit. Next, I began sewing along the cut line of the fabric. If you don't know how to sew, then don't worry. I've provided a really simple guide in the description below. Sewing is really easy, and if you follow the sewing how-to guide, then you'll be fine. Once it is sewn, flip the mask inside out to hide the seam. Now that you have the mask sewn, take some foam core and cut out the shape of Spider-Man's eyes. Make them big or small, it's your choice. Cut out the inside of the eyes too, so that you're left with a frame of the eye. Once you have that, you can paint them black. While that dries, you can begin cutting out the eye holes on your mask. Grab those old swim shorts and cut out some of the white mesh lining from inside. Glue this mesh to the back of the Spider-Man eyes you cut out earlier, and you got yourself your finished eyes for the mask. The mesh will allow you to see well and give you the white lens look of Spider-Man's eyes. Once your Spider-Man eyes are complete, you can begin gluing them to the mask over the eye holes you cut out earlier. Once the eyes are glued on, you can start creating the web design over the mask. You can use different materials for this, such as permanent marker or fabric paint. I'm just using some simple craft paint to brush on the webs, and it applies pretty well.
And there you have it, a super quick and easy Spider-Man mask that you can put together for like less than $10 from everything you can source at the dollar store. If you have any other suggestions for future episodes of Foam Forge, please let me know in the comments below. Please share and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.